Huawei apparently just confirmed their periscopic camera for the Huawei P30 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy S10 has just been crowned by DisplayMate as the best screen for obvious reasons, and the OPPO F11 Pro with a 48 megapixel camera is now official, and it looks a lot like the rumored OnePlus 7. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I was going to make a joke about snow, but there's actually nothing funny about it. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product launches that I would actually consider deals, as we saw the Sony Xperia 10 and 10 Plus over at MWC. We had a lot of coverage about it. I was actually really impressed with the phones, but I didn't have a price tag. Pre-orders have just begun on B&H and other retailers, and we're talking $350 or $430 depending on the configuration that you look for. I know, that's crazy. Those phones actually were really good. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about another sort of deal, I guess we could say, as Samsung is prepping its mid-ranger lineup to be just as good or comparable to even its flagship lineup. We hear about the A60, which apparently will bring a 32 megapixel camera primary and then a 32 megapixel selfie camera. I hope I got that right. Qualcomm Snapdragon 670, 8 gigs of RAM. Like, the specifications are powerful, the device looks really good according to what we see, and we're just waiting to see when it's going to launch because we hear it's going to be priced very aggressively. Now let's talk about the OPPO F11 Pro, which just got announced. We actually have a review unit here. Let us know if you want coverage on it. Interesting specifications, 48 megapixel camera in addition to other features. It's actually really good looking. I like what I see here, but probably the most important part is that according to the source, this could look a lot like the OnePlus 7 that we've seen in the leak. So again, let us know if you want some coverage. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10, as we've got official information that DisplayMate has crowned it as the best display. And well, right it should. I'm looking at the specifications that Samsung actually didn't provide, where we hear that it can go up to 1250 nits. I believe that's a first. None of other Galaxy devices have been capable of so much brightness, and we've heard of everything that Samsung provided and how the screen adapts to its environment, etc. I've been really enjoying it so far. I do feel that it deserves the crown. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Huawei and the P30 Pro. According to some sources, this device was shown off behind closed doors to certain people at MWC. Sadly, no, I wasn't one of them, and I'm not going to surprise you later. I haven't seen it. But it seems that the periscopic camera has been confirmed, that we will have variable optical zoom on this phone, just like what we've seen from OPPO at MWC. That's all great. We also hear that specifications are going to be powerful, and if the renders and the images we've seen of this phone are true, my god, this phone is going to be a true looker. But let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? P30 Pro with all this power and this versatility in the camera and this design, I mean, I think that this is going to be a hit. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.